Everyone, I am Marceli, Department of English. My topic is Four Pillars of Indian Economy, Knowledge Economy, and Human Capital. Indian economy. Indian economy is a developing economy in which agriculture is the backbone of Indian economic. 60% of India's population are under below poverty line. Majority of the people of India are leading a poverty line. Indian economic is affected by it. Countries which are on the path of progress and which have their potential for development are called developing economic. So India is termed as developing economic by modern views. The knowledge economy is a system of consumption and production that is based on intellectual capital. The father of knowledge economy, Peter Drucker, the father of economics, Adam Smith. Human capital can be broadly defined as the stock of knowledge, skills, and other personal characteristics embodied in people that helps them to be productive. Introduction. India, with its vibrant culture, rich history, and diverse population, stands as one of the world's fastest growing economies. Traditionally, the Indian economy has been supported by four pillars: agriculture, industry, service, and infrastructure. However, in the modern era of globalization and technological advancement, two additional pillars have emerged as critical drivers of sustainable economic growth, the knowledge economy, and human capital. The first pillar, agriculture, has long been the backbone of Indian economy, employing a significant portion of population and contributing to food security. Despite the rise of other sectors, agriculture remains vital. Agriculture remains vital vital, especially in rural areas where millions depend on it for their livelihood. The second pillar, industry, encompasses manufacturing and production activities. India has witnessed substantial industrial growth, particularly in sectors such as textiles, automobiles, and electronics. Industrialization has played a crucial role in job creation, export promotion, and economic diversification. Third one is the third pillar, service, has experienced a remarkable expansion, propelled by sectors like IT, telecommunication, finance, and healthcare. India's prowess in information technology and business process outsourcing has positioned it as global service hub, attracting investment and generating employment opportunities. The fourth pillar, infrastructure, forms the foundation for economic development, encompassing transportation, energy, telecommunications, and urban development. Investment in infrastructure are essential for enhancing connectivity, promoting trade, and facilitating overall socio-economic progress. In recent years, the concept of a knowledge economy has gained prominence as an essential pillar of India's economic framework. A knowledge economy encompasses the creation, dissemination, and application of knowledge as key drivers of growth. It encompasses innovation, research and development, education, and technology adoption. India has made significant strides in this regard with a growing emphasis on innovation, entrepreneurship, and digitalization. Four pillars of knowledge economy, interconnected and interdependent: education, innovation, information infrastructure, economic and institutional regime. Top 10 knowledge economy trends in 2023: AI generated knowledge, digital system competency, blockchain knowledge management, open innovation and science, information cloud technology, cyber security, knowledge analytics, robotization, quantum computing, AC knowledge network. Next one is human capital, knowledge, abilities, skills, education, training, experience, judgment, wisdom, creativity, and creativity. Next, last one is conclusion. In conclusion, while agriculture, industry, PL services, and infrastructure remain fundamental to the Indian economic, its embracing the pillars of knowledge economy and human capital is essential for ensuring sustainable growth and prosperity. By investing in innovation, education, and skill development, India can unlock new opportunities, drive inclusive development, and emerge as a global economic powerhouse in the 21st century. Thank you.